name's Flight Sergeant Jim Rothwell. I'm an air load master on the A400, and on this operation I have been transporting civilian passengers to and from Sudan into Cyprus to have them relocated back to the UK. The A400 has lots of different capabilities, from landing on short runways, take off. It can also carry large payloads, and a variety of payloads, from passengers to vehicles. We can also take palletized loads. So we're very flexible and very versatile for this sort of environment, and we can carry up to like 37,000 kilograms of freight. The A400 is good for this type of environment because, again, the austere environment, we have protection, but also the aircraft can land on shortened runways. Also, we can land on strips and unpaved runways, so it gives us that more flexibility throughout the operation.
I am Wing Commander Richard Fawkes. I'm the Commanding Officer of 903 Expeditionary Air Wing. My background in the Royal Air Force is as a pilot flying the Air Mobility Force. The A400M is a phenomenal aircraft, and it's quite simply, it's the future. All good things must come to an end. The C130 has had a superb career, but we have to look to the future, and the A400M brings an enormous technological advantage, and it will become a highly superior air mobility platform as it starts developing its capability set and offering to defence a huge number of those capabilities that the C130 has offered up until now.